Let's turn soap nuts into liquid laundry detergent and say goodbye to toxic chemical packed detergent. In this video, I will be teaching you how to turn soap nuts into a liquid laundry detergent. Let's get started. First, you're going to grab some soap nuts and some distilled water, and you're going to simmer that over low to medium heat and extract all the natural saponins that occur in soap nuts. You'll want to keep an eye on it. It's going to take about an hour, and you'll want to keep an eye on it because it can bubble up. Once these dark brown soap nuts have turned to a pale color, it's time to strain them out. Let the liquid cool, and if you notice that you've lost some water along the way, feel free to add a little bit more. Think about it as hydrating your soap base. It's all about getting the right consistency. Now it's time for the amazing essential oils, grapefruit and cypress. These oils smell so fresh and clean together. Mix the oils with Simply Earth's natural solubilizer and a preservative to keep your product blended well and last long. Slowly mix about a half cup of your liquid laundry detergent with your oil mixture. Once it's combined, pour it into the rest of your detergent mixture. Simple and straightforward. This just helps it mix together a little bit better. Pour the finished mixture into a bottle and label it. Use about 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 cup for each load depending on size. For an extra natural touch, you can add a little bit of vinegar as a natural fabric softener to your load. It works wonders, and it's free from harsh toxic chemicals. And just like that, you've made your own natural laundry detergent using nuts. Well, they're actually berries. Want a full step-by-step guide? Check out my cheat sheet I have linked below. I've got the recipe listed out there, along with other amazing natural cleaning recipes. You can also grab this DIY kit from Simply Earth. It includes the recipe and all the ingredients you need to make your own DIY natural laundry detergent. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more natural DIY tips and tricks. Clean living doesn't have to be complicated.